Here's a Eskimo model, doesn't say. Eskimo 12-inch box fan. I got this a couple years ago at Fanimation from a fellow fan collector. Don't remember how much I paid for it. I don't think it was very much. But this is a backlog, obviously, 'cause it's from 2 years ago that I had bought it. Just got around to doing a little quick service, really. I mean, I didn't take the motor apart or anything like that. I just put some oil in it because it has easy access oil ports. So I threw a little bit of oil in there, and it seems to free it up just a little bit. But anyway, we'll start up on low. And that is my new kitten. His name is Boone. Either this fan hasn't ran in a long time, which I haven't ran it since just now today, or the bearings are still gummed up. It is a slow runner on low. It does throw out a nice gentle breeze though, but I don't think it's supposed to go this slow. Kick it up to medium. A little high. And go off. I don't think he liked high. Looks like the previous collector might have polished the blades at some point. Judging by how shiny they are, I mean, they can honestly use a decent polish, but I might just leave it alone just because the condition of the fan is in okay shape. It's not in the mint. But, and then here's the motor. It's got a decent sized motor in it for being a 12-inch. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.